Hey everybody, I've got a Helix Stomp XL, is it XL or X8? What do they call this thing? XL preset built to ambient shoegaze style preset. I'm going to demo it and then I'll break it down, you know, how I set this up. I like it quite a bit. Starting off just a little B. I'll start my recording here. Just use, whoops, go back. Just using GarageBand to record it, a Shure microphone. Good enough. So I'll just go on there and break that down, how I built that preset. It just immediately falls into ambient, so I think it'll be a pretty good one for that.